Hi, we are from group 5. So we are 5 members in the group 5 and the names of the members are Archit Sharma, that's me, Aditya Raj Singh Yadav, Vidyanand Sahu and Ayush Tiwari. So what the task has been given to us is that we have to make the Alexa which can play the songs according to our wish. So in the project what we are basically doing is we have created environment so that we can convert speech into text. For that we have used various libraries such as speech recognition, PyTX3 and many more. Also, what is speech recognition? Speech recognition is the process of converting audio into text. This is commonly used in voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, etc. Python provides an API called speech recognition to allow us convert audio into text for further processing. So what we are basically doing is that when we'll say the name of the song, with the help of this speech recognition module, that our audio will be converted to text. Also, we are using Google Speech Recognition API and Google Text to Speech for voice input and output respectively. PlaySound package is used to play the saved MP3 sound from the system. Instead of having built scripts for microphones and processing audio files from scratch, speech recognition library acts as a wrapper for serving popular speech APIs and thus extremely flexible. So PyTX3 is also compatible with the older versions of Python like Python 2 or Python 3 and also with new versions. And one more benefit of this PyTX3 module is that it can work online as well as offline as well. So what we are basically doing in this project is that we have to write a program to make our personal Alexa to play our favorite songs. So how the Alexa come to know what are our favorite songs? So for that purpose we have made a directory. In that directory we have playlists, or we have added our playlist favorite songs. So our favorite songs are resided in that directory. So what it is doing is that when we say a name of our favorite song to the Alexa, then Alexa will automatically selects the song from the directory and will play it. So now I would like to explain the code. So here it is written that import PyTX3. It is the very important module for this speech to text recognition. Also we have initialized here PyTX3.init is equal to engine. So what the PyTX3 is doing is that it converts the text to speech. Like suppose something we give as a text then it will convert it into speech and it will say that. For example, here it is written that welcome to our project on playing music using speech recognition, and the currently available songs are Sunny Sunny, Diamond, Dil Wali Girl and Daru Badnaam. So these are the songs which are currently resided in a directory. So what the Alexa will do, that we have given as a text this in the variable sen. So when we run this program, at the just instant, the Alexa will say this full line. The line which was stored in sen, Alexa will spell out the whole line. So now going forward, engine.say send. So what it is doing there, it is a function that will make Alexa to say this line. Then engine.run and wait. It is a function, and the use of this function is that when the above line is set by the Alexa, then Alexa wait for 10 to 15 seconds for us to give input to Alexa in the form of speech. We have to input the song name, so then Alexa will understand that song and will convert from speech to text, and then it will search in the given directory, and accordingly it will play a song, or it may give like the song is not added to your directory. And also one thing I want to mention here is that if we don't say anything in 10 to 15 seconds, then it will give warning to us, like empty means say something like or something that. So now after that, we have done here is that import speech recognition as SR. So here we are importing a speech recognition module as SR. Then from play sound, import play sound. So we are importing it from play sound. Play sound is very important module. So now R equal to SR dot recognizer. Recognizer is a function which is in the class, which is in the speech recognition class. So R, we have made an object of this. So now with SR dot microphone as source. So here we are going statement by statement. Print currently available songs are Sunny Sunny, Diamond, Dil Wali Girl, Daru Badnaam, Hindi songs. So these are the currently available songs. This line will be printed when the code runs. Also print which song you wanna listen. Then it will print which song we wanna listen. We can say the name of the song which we want to listen. Audio equal to r dot listen source. Then what we'll say is stored in the variable audio, and it is taken by the function listen. Dot listen is the function used for taking the voice input. So now the next line is MSG for message equal to r dot recognize Google audio. So the audio is the parameter passed to the recognize Google. One parameter is taken by the function recognize Google, which is called with the help of the object R. So what this function will return will be stored in MSG variable. Then the next line, song equal to MSG plus dot mp3. The name of the song we will say is appended by dot mp3, because we all know that songs are audio files have an extension dot mp3. So for that purpose we have appended .mp3 and stored whole as a result in the variable song. Now we will print the song name, what is the song we are playing, and at last play sound song. Play sound song function is what it is doing is that it is playing the song which we have said just now. So now this was all about the code. Now I would like my friend Ayush to demonstrate about the working of the project Alexa, which is used to play the music using a personal directory for our songs. Ayush, now please demonstrate the project.
Hello, I am Ayush and I would like to show you what Akshita explained to you, basically the output of the project. In output what we have done is first it gave us the speech that we have given in the form of text that by the use of say function, that is variable used as sentence will be now converted to speech. And then if we come to the next part, then in the output we have printed some statement, that is it will give us the choice to select some questions not songs. Then we will say the song name and it will then play this one. Now I will demonstrate it by playing. Sunny Sunny. Arey yaar, I missed it, but I will repeat it now. Sunny Sunny. Now I stopped it in the middle as we can't play the whole song here. Now I would like to show you the another song, basically the other output. Diamond. Now Archit, if you want me to play another example or...
No, Ayush, it's okay.
So as you have all seen, what are the outputs? First is a speech, then comes the text part as it gives us the choice. Then after our input that what's the song name, it displays the song name and then finally plays it. That was all. This is all about the project output. and it was so much fun to do it.
So at last, I would like to thank our course instructor, Miss Nidhi ma'am, for giving us all a wonderful opportunity in this period to learn more about the Python and explore about Alexa and all. We have really experienced it very much and fun all doing that. So at last, thank you ma'am from the whole group 5.